Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing environment and dependencies so the pipeline runs. Install Java 11 or later and configure Maven or Gradle. Add OpenCV Java and a reliable face model binding. Once done, collect and place labeled images into train and test folders that use consistent naming. You must align faces now. Run a quick landmark-based alignment step so models learn consistent geometry. Make sure to set file paths and permission early to avoid I/O failure later. You will detect and crop every face in the training set using OpenCV cascades or DNN detectors. Align via 5-point landmarks so eyes and nose match orientation. Then feed crops into a pre-trained embedding network to produce fixed-size vectors. Choose 128 to 512 dimensions depending on model. Once embeddings are ready, train a simple classifier such as SVM or K-nearest neighbors, or store prototypes and use distance thresholds for verification. Make sure to You now integrate into an application. Capture frames, detect faces, align, compute embeddings, then classify or compare against enrolled vectors. Once done, run tests and plot false accept versus false reject to pick thresholds. Make sure to augment data if performance lags. If latency is high, use batch embedding and GPU acceleration. One key troubleshooting tip: if results are incorrect, recheck alignment, consistent image scaling, and model input preprocessing, mean/STD or BGR versus RGB. These often break accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.